Hello, government students. Today we're going to talk a little bit about something called mottos and mission statements. Every organization, or at least many organizations, probably most organizations, whether you're talking about a government or a private business or a club or even a religious institution, usually these organizations will have mottos and oftentimes a mission statement as well. And today we're going to talk about those because you have an assignment coming up in which you're going to be asked to create a motto and a mission statement for a new country, a new nation state. So I've got up here on the screen right now the homepage of Rockford Township, the small little local government that we've talked about in the past, townships. And notice the wording up at the top. Welcome to Rockford Township Online, the government closest to the people. That is the motto of Rockford Township. And most governments do have mottos like that. So let's take a look at mottos. Here, of course, again, is the motto for, actually, I have Winnebago Township. It's actually Rockford Township that uses that motto. But the United States has a motto as well. In fact, we have two mottos, and you might know them. One of the mottos is E Pluribus Unum. This is actually the unofficial motto of the United States. If you pull out a coin, you will almost certainly be able to find E Pluribus Unum written out on any coin that is printed in the United States, that is minted in the United States. E Pluribus Unum, by the way, is of course Latin, and that means out of many, one. So the meaning of that motto is that out of many states, one nation. That's the idea that we, the United States of America, are in fact united as one nation. There's actually another motto, and this actually been the official motto of the United States since the 1950s by an act of Congress, and that is "In God We Trust." And you will see this motto also on all of our coins, as well as on our paper money. You will find "In God We Trust." Some of our paper money, for example, the $1 bill also includes E Pluribus Unum, but not all paper money includes E Pluribus Unum, but all paper money does include "In God We Trust." Now, those are mottos, and you notice the thing with mottos is they were very short and easy to remember. Now let's talk about mission statements. Mission statements are a little bit different. A mission statement is usually one or two complete sentences, and it's a very high-level view of the purpose or the mission of the organization. So let's take a look at a couple of mission statements. Here's the mission statement of Rockford Lutheran School. You will see this on the Rockford Lutheran website. Rockford Lutheran School provides an exceptional college preparatory education in a challenging and inspiring Christian environment. Notice what this mission statement does not say. It doesn't say that Rockford Lutheran School is going to teach you how to do mathematics and teach you proper English and teach you government and economics. It doesn't say any of that. It simply provides a much higher level view that we're going to provide an exceptional college preparatory education. And that, of course, includes teaching math and English and all the other subjects. And we're going to do that in a challenging and inspiring Christian environment. That is a mission statement. Here's a mission statement for a corporation. This is for AT&T. AT&T's mission is to connect people with their world, everywhere they live and work, and to do it better than anyone else. Notice what AT&T's mission statement is not. It doesn't say that we're going to provide cellular service and landline service for you. It doesn't say we're going to help you connect your data services with different locations. No, it doesn't get into that kind of detail. It's a very high-level view of the purpose of AT&T to connect people with the world wherever they are. Let's look at one more. This is Clairol. Clairol makes dyes and hair products for women. But the mission statement does not say that Clairol's mission is to provide hair coloring for women, but it's much higher. The mission statement of Clairol is to make every woman feel beautiful and confident with real natural looking color. The color expert Clairol strives to offer a color solution for every need. So again, it's a very high level view of the purpose of Clairol's products to make women feel beautiful and confident. Okay, now, what about a nation state? Does a nation have a mission statement? And in fact, I would say that the United States of America does have a mission statement, and it is in the opening words of the Constitution. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. So our mission as a country is not to make laws and to provide a strong Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines. That's not our mission. Our mission is to try to form a more perfect union by establishing justice, ensure the domestic tranquility, providing for common defense, promote the general welfare, and securing the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity. Now, how will we do that? We're going to do that through this Constitution that we have for the United States, and then the Constitution starts getting into the details of how we're going to do all of those things. That is our mission statement. So you're going to have an assignment where you're going to create a motto for a country as well as a mission statement. What is the purpose of your government ultimately? And with that, I'm going to close this presentation. And just remember this, refer back to it if you need to as you do your project, which is called the Survivor Project, which is in Canvas. Talk to you later.